I'm going to share a file for you. This is about Federal Bank. Federal Bank, yeah. So this is about Federal Bank clerk's interview that happened in the first week of September 2021. In Chennai, the candidate has been selected. Congratulations. And this candidate is from Rajalakshmi Group of Institutions, Chennai. And the questions asked were about banking. If it is banking, they would have asked what is banking and explained about that. Banking is accepting deposits from the public and making advances to others. Then they would have asked questions about RBI. RBI means they could have asked when was RBI started, what is the role of RBI, who is the governor of RBI, what do you know about RBI, what are the important functions of RBI. Then how bank generates income. A bank generates income. A bank generates income by lending, say, loans to its borrowers and getting interest income out of that. Not only that, bank also issues guarantees, letters of credit, and gets commission on that. They also do other service charges, gets other service charges like NEFT, RTGS, then new passbook issued, then stopping payment of a check, etc. So they get other income also, and also bank assurance income. That is by canvassing insurance policies, life insurance and general insurance policies, banks get income. Next is about NPA. NPA means non-performing asset, where a bank lends money to borrowers and the borrower repays the installments properly, interest also properly. The account is called as a standard account, where, however, the borrower keeps it pending for 90 days, not pays it, then it is considered a substandard account, then it becomes an NPA account. From the date it becomes NPA, the interest charged to that account is not taken into the income account of the bank, but is kept in interest realizable account. And if the account continues for more than 90 days and up to 1 year, it is considered as doubtful assets. And if still continues for more than 3 years or the securities lose their value, then it is called as loss assets. At each stage, there will be extra provision to the debit of expenditure for the bank. Bank has to provide extra funds so that its loss will increase or its profit will come down. The next question is on types of accounts. The candidate is not told whether it is about deposit accounts or loan accounts. If it is deposit accounts, you can tell about the special schemes of Federal Bank. Some new names they would have given for their own private, say, SB account also, where they have more than balance of this much. You can tell that savings account, current account, fixed deposit, then say recurring deposit accounts. In the case of fixed deposit, you can also have cumulative deposit where interest earns interest. Then if we mention about loan accounts, the loan accounts can be loan against deposits, loan against shares, loan against mortgage properties, loan against jewels or gold loan, then agricultural loan, direct agricultural loan or indirect agricultural loan, like say poultry, fishing, then piggery, like that. Then you can also have education loan, housing loan, infrastructure loan, MSME loans, export loans, then micro loans for small self-help groups. So likewise, and also for setting up a big industries and all that. Then also export credit, both pre-shipment and post-shipment. Then the candidate was asked what are the accounts he has got. namely savings account or RD account like that. And they would have asked which bank, where is the headquarters, when was the account opened, where the branch is, how do you rate the service of the bank. Likewise, questions could have been asked relating to the account of the candidate also. Then they asked what is the name of the Federal Bank app. I think you can go to the website and get what is the name of the Federal Bank app for, say, in the case of SBI and all, it is YONO. Here, what is the name of the Federal Bank app? You please get, shall I find out that? Yeah. Federal Bank app. I will find it out. Fed Mobile. What is the official app of Federal Bank? What is the official app of Federal Bank? Fed Mobile app. Fed Mobile app. How do I install the Fed Mobile app? Yeah, you have the video also. How do I download Fed Mobile app? Download Fed Mobile app, validate mobile number linked to your account, enter your account number, select the app mode transaction plus view, then create MPIN and re-enter MPIN to confirm. So this is what is given here. Yeah. Then Federal Bank app. After that, it seems the candidate was asked certain current affair questions. The candidate is not given the details of questions, 5 to 10 minutes. So candidates going for Federal Bank interview must know the latest current affair relating to their state, about the country, and about banking, and about news related to that subject also. Then they asked about the candidate's father. Maybe they would have asked what is the job he is doing, and some questions relating to that. Like that only, one candidate's father was an agent of LIC. So they started asking about LIC's agent, about LIC. What are the policies? Will you take LIC policy? Like that. If a candidate's father is working as a doctor, then they can ask, how was your father managing during the COVID days? Is he busy even now, present day also? Is he going to hospitals nowadays also? Or has he got a clinic? Like that they can ask. Why you are choosing clerical role instead of going for the core job? If the candidate has done electronics or IT, they could have asked you why you are not going for IT job. If the candidate has done civil engineering, they can ask why you are not becoming a civil engineer, or why you are not taking up job, postgraduate degree. So these are the questions asked to this candidate who has come out successful from Federal Bank. I thank the candidate for sending the questions. Best wishes.